gather around, you little dears. Let's chase away all of your fears. With a dragon green and a friend so spiky, an adventure waits so striky. Twinkletail the dragon, happy and grand, and Percy Porcupine lending a hand. They love sweet treats, it's plain to see. Is belly chocolate for me? Twinkletail's green was green and shiny, his scales like emeralds, oh so tiny. Percy was a porcupine, round and stout, with prickles all around, thing way up high. A mountain peak not made of stone, but something tasty all their own. Chocolate volcano bubbling bright, a gooey drippy yummy sight. Rivers flowing sweet and deep, secrets that the mountains keep. Oh chocolate mountain, what a treat, beat so very sweet. Oh my, cried Percy with a squeak, this chocolate mountain knees go weak. Twinkletail flapped his wings with glee, this the best, here you agree. But down below, it made of stone, but something tasty all stray. Chocolate volcano bubbling bright, a gooey drippy yummy sight. Rivers flowing sweet and deep, secrets that the mountains keep. Oh chocolate volcano bubbling bright, a gooey drippy ovens keep. Oh chocolate mountain, what a treat, beat so very sweet. The gingerbread houses start to melt, the lollipop trees, oh how they felt. The gummy bear river began to slow, as the chocolate continued to flow. Said we must help, said Percy the frown, before this sweetness drowns the town. Twinkletail nodded, we'll find a way to save our valley this very day. Chocolate volcano bubbling bright, a gooey drippy yummy sight. Rivers flowing sweet and deep, secrets that the mountains keep. Oh chocolate volcano bubbling bright, a gooey drippy yummies keep. Oh chocolate mountain, what a trip, beat so very sweet. With teamwork strong and laughter loud, they built a dam, a sugary shroud. Percy used prickles sharp and neat to guide the streams to a special treat. Twinkletail blew with all his might, darting chocolate day and night. They made a pool, a chocolate lake, for all the Candy Valley to partake. Chocolate volcano bubbling bright, a gooey drippy yummy sight. Rivers flowing sweet and deep, secrets that the mountains keep. Oh chocolate mountain, what a tramp, beat so very sweet. The valley was saved so sweet and grand, thanks to Tail and Percy's hand. The chocolate flowed a yummy stream, turning a problem to a sugary dream. So if you see a mountain tall, let's praise chocolate for one and all. Remember the dragon and porcupine, who made the sweetest day divine.